Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, we got a lot of action going on across much of western Oregon, even though for just about everybody in the viewing area here, with the exception of some folks out in the southern Douglas County hills and out to the coast, it's lots of sunshine. But there is some forces at work out there. Let's go out to the visual satellite and I'll show you what's happening. We've got not only some thunderstorm activity, mainly to the south and east of us, but we also have the marine layer starting to push back in as well. So you can see both air masses kind of squishing together with each other here. But either one, not too strong at this point. One, because the upper level low that was off of the California coast yesterday has moved inland, and so most of the activity we're seeing is anywhere from around Bend across Highway 20 down 97 as you move in towards Lake County. That's why we've been seeing a lot of bullseye for some of the late afternoon thunderstorms. Meanwhile, there's our old pesky friend, the marine layer. Now good, because it will bring more moisture back to a very dry air mass we've been over top of us for better half of almost 2 weeks now. In addition, we'll start to see some of the morning cloud cover move back in as that invades late night tonight in towards your early morning forecast for Wednesday. So still a little bit of activity. You can see from Crater Lake, a couple of good line of thunderstorms just sort of raining out. I do expect to see a few more of those as we go into the early evening hours. The low itself right outside of Salt Lake just pretty much keeping a very unsettled forecast from basically Yellowstone Park to Boise down to Reno in towards the Sierra Nevadas and Las Vegas and even into parts of New Mexico and Arizona. So you can see the extent of how big that system is. On the back end of that, though, we've got high pressure starting to build into the north of us, and so that will slowly crank our temperatures back up. Today we saw temperatures in the 70s. We're slowly falling back into the 60s now, still mid-70s in Roseburg. One of the warmer spots today. They got up to 80, but look where the warmer temperatures were. The Dalles, remember, they were at 91 yesterday. 10 degrees cooler today, 85 in Pendleton, in mid-70s now. A bit of an influence of that cooler Pacific air up in Portland. So mid-40s for tonight, and we'll see a little bit of cloud cover, and then again some early morning clouds across the valley, but they should be able to break up pretty quickly, courtesy of this big area of high pressure that's pretty much going to be the dominant weather feature over the next couple of days. So here's how it breaks down. The storms basically head south and east. We'll see a little bit of coverage out in the southern Cascades tomorrow. Marine layer starts to spill back in tonight and into tomorrow night. But by Friday, I'm expecting those temperatures to warm back up close to 80 degrees and probably mid-80s down in Douglas County. And then finally, we'll see a chance for some rain coming in the 7-day forecast on Sunday. So partly sunny at the coast tomorrow. Friday could be the best day for some afternoon sun. Then Saturday, the clouds are back. Still fairly warm, though, in the 60s. And then you see Sunday, we're talking isolated showers at best. Nothing major out there, but best chance we've seen since about April 19th. Mostly sunny skies in the Umpqua tomorrow. Temperatures there in the upper 70s. We'll be back into the mid-80s for both Friday and Saturday before a major shift and cool down into early next week. Back down to the upper 60s. Cascades, sunny overall. We'll see a passing thunderstorm at the southern end of the Cascades. Same thing out in central Oregon. Temperatures will be warm again tomorrow in the upper 70s and touching close to 80 by Thursday and Friday. And the cool air doesn't invade until about next week. And then finally here in the valley, we'll see the temperatures tomorrow sitting at around 75 to 76 degrees. Morning clouds give way to afternoon sun both Wednesday and Thursday, but watch out. If you're a fan of the heat, it's back on Friday.
And that major cool down you're talking? That's average temperatures, right?
Even still a little above average, but it will feel so much cooler compared to where we've been.
Wild. Thanks, Justin.
You bet.